Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss maxima and minima of two variables. Maxima and minimum of two variables. So working rule is like this. First he will give a function f. So we have to find out dou f by dou x and equate it to 0. Similarly you have to find out one more thing, that is dou f by dou y, and it equate it to 0. And if you solve, you are going to get some points a1 b1 a2 b2 and so on. Next what you have to do is we have to find out dou square f by dou x square. That in shortcut I will treat it as L. Next dou square f by dou x dou y, that I will treat it as M. Next dou square f by dou y square, that I will treat it as N in shortcut. Okay, next what you have to do is we have to discuss when it is maximum and it is minimum, like that. So if you have to consider ln minus m square. If ln minus m square value is greater than 0 and also L value is greater than 0, then the function has minimum value. Next, if ln minus m square greater than 0 and L less than 0, maximum value, and ln minus m square value is less than 0, it is a saddle point. Saddle point is at that particular point it is neither maximum nor minimum. Next, last one, ln minus m square equal to 0, there is no conclusion. These are the 4 points. So we will go through the one problem so that you can understand what is meant by maxima and minima. So first we will consider the one example. So the given function is x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. So first you have to find out with respect to x differentiation. With respect to x means y is a constant. Y is a constant means here 3y square will be 0. 4 differentiation, anyway constant differentiation is 0. Next here 3xy square, in this one 3 is a constant, y square is a constant, 3y square is a constant. So now do that one differentiation. X cube differentiation 3x square, here it is 3y square is a constant, therefore 3y square, x differentiation 1 minus this one is 6x. Okay, so this is constant 0, this is constant 0. Next, similarly dou f by the with respect to y means x is a constant. X is a constant means x cube constant 0. Here 3x square, this is also you will get 0. So what you left with here 3xy square. Y square differentiation is 2y. Therefore 3x into 2y minus 6y. Here minus 3y square is there, therefore 3 into 2y minus 6y. Now what we have to do, these two equations you have to equate it to 0. So if you do that one, what happens from the second equation, this one 6xy minus 6y is equal to 0. You take 6y as common, therefore 6y into x minus 1 is equal to 0. When it happens y is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0 is nothing but x is equal to 1. Now we have the two values, x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 0. You consider any one of the x and y values. I am considering y is equal to 0. Case 1 I am considering y is equal to 0. Later I will consider x is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 0 in the equation 1. So or 3, here whatever it may be in this equation. The what happens, y is equal to 0 means this term will vanish. 3x square minus 6x is equal to 0. 3x you take common, therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0. When this will be 0, whether x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Therefore the points are y is equal to 0, then these are the points x values. Therefore x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. These are the 2 points you are going to get. One more case is there. What is that one? X is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1, the again equation 3. What happens? 3 plus 3y square minus 6 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1 in this equation, you are getting this one. 3y square minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3 you get it common, 3 into y square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to plus or minus 1. Then what are the points? 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 are the points. Therefore, how many points you got? 4 points: 0 0, 2 0, 1 1, 1 minus 1. What we have to do is we have to check the maxima and minima at each point. So what is the formula for that one? Ln minus m square. L what stands? Dou square f by dou x square. So dou square f by dou x square, that means this equation 1 again you differentiate with x, you will get 6x minus 6. Similarly m, that is nothing but dou square f by dou x dou y, that means already dou f by dou y is there, that one you differentiate again with x, you will get 6y. Similarly n means dou square f by dou y square, this second equation again you differentiate with y, you are going to get 6x minus 6. So now we have the 4 points now. At each point we will discuss the ln minus m square value. Therefore we will consider the first point at 0 0. Ln minus m square is equal to, L value is 6x minus 6, n also is 6x minus 6, m value is 6y whole 6y, therefore 6y whole square m square. Substitute 0 0, what happens? It we are going to get the 36, which is a positive value. Next L value at 0 0 means substitute 0 in place of x, you are going to get minus 6, which is a negative value. Ln minus m square greater than 0, L less than 0 means maximum value. Function has a maximum value at 0 0. What is the maximum value means? Substitute 0 0 in the given function, original function, you are going to get 4. This is the maximum value. Next you take consider one more point, that is 2 comma 0, again ln minus m square. If you substitute in the ln minus m square in place of x 2, in place of y is equal to 0, you are going to get 36, which is a positive value. So also L is equal to 6x minus 6. So in place of x you substitute 2, 12 minus 6 is 6, it is a positive value. Therefore you are going to get it as a minimum value. So function is minimum at 2 comma 0. Similarly at 1 comma 1 you discuss ln minus m square, you are going to get minus 36, which is a negative value. That means at 1 comma 1 it is a saddle point. Next you consider 1 comma minus 1, ln minus m square is a negative value. Therefore 1 comma minus 1 is also a saddle point. Saddle points means at that particular point the function is neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, so this is about the how to find out the minimum and maximum values of a function in two variables. Now we will consider one more function, x cube plus 3xy square minus 15x square minus 15y square plus 72x. So given function you consider it as f of xy. Find dou f by dou x, 3x square, 3y square, so on. Next similarly what you have to do, dou f by dou y, with respect to y means x is a constant. Similarly find dou square f by dou x square. Similarly find dou square f by dou x dou y. Next similarly dou square f by dou y square. So dou square f by dou x square is nothing but L. This is m, this is n. Now dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y you have to equate it to 0 to solve max and minima. So this 3x square plus 3y square minus 30x plus 72 will become is equal to 0. So now you take common 6y from the second equation, x minus 5 is equal to 0. When it will happen, either y is equal to 0 or x is equal to 5. You take y is equal, here the two cases, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. I am considering the first case, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Substitute in the equation 1. What happens? 3y square will vanish. Therefore 3x square minus 30x plus 72 is equal to 0. Throughout divide with 3, you will get x square minus 10x plus 24. Then x value is 6 comma 4. What are the points? 4 comma 0, 6 comma 0 are the points you are going to get. One more case is x is equal to 5. Now put x is equal to 5 in the equation 1. What you are going to get? Y is equal to plus or minus 1 you are going to get. What are the points you are going to get? 5 plus 5 comma plus 1, 5 comma minus 1. So total you are going to get 4 points. So now what you have to do, at each point we have to check the ln minus m square values. So at 4 comma 0, first ln minus m square is 36, a positive value, L value is a negative value, so function is maximum. So what is the maximum value means f of 4 comma 0. Therefore f of 4 comma 0 in the function, in place of x 4, in place of y 0, you substitute, you will get the maximum value. Next at 6 comma 0, ln minus m square, what is the value you are going to get? 36, which is a positive value. L value is, you are going to get 6, a positive value. Both positive means function has a minimum at 6 comma 0. So f of 6 comma 0 is the minimum value. Just to substitute in the function, in place of x 6, in place of y 0. Similarly at 5 comma minus 1, ln minus m square is a negative value. Ln minus m square is a negative value. Negative value means it is a saddle point. Similarly 5 comma minus 1 is 5 comma plus 1, another one is 5 comma minus 1. So in the both the cases it is minus 36, so it is a saddle point. Next we will go through the one more problem, that is xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y. So the function is like this. Therefore find dou f by dou x. So with respect to x means y is a constant. Again 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, that you remember. After simplification you will get like this. Similarly dou f by dou y, like this. Next dou square f by dou x square. Dou square f by dou x square means with respect to x means y is a constant. Therefore what you left with is minus a cube into 1 by x square differentiation. 1 by x square is nothing but x power minus 2, n into x power n minus model. Therefore you will get like this. Similarly dou f by dou x dou y. Dou f by dou x dou y means dou f by dou y you have to differentiate with respect to x. That means y is a constant. Therefore a cube by y square is 0. Therefore x differentiation 1. Similarly n is 2a cube by y cube you will get. So the equations, first and second equations equated to 0. Next what you have to do, from the second equation x is equal to nothing but a cube by y square. So this x is value you substitute in the equation 1. Therefore y minus a cube by, so y minus a cube by x square means a power 6 by y power 4. You will get like this. If you take common y into a cube minus y cube is equal to 0. Y should be y, either y is 0 or y is equal to a. So now we have the two cases. Now you consider one of the case. So y is equal to 0 you substitute in the equation 2. Y is equal to 0. So x is equal to a cube by y square. So what happens? X is equal to a cube by y square. In place of y is equal to 0, if you substitute x will become infinity. So not possible. Therefore consider the second case, y is equal to a. So y is equal to j, if you substitute that one, what you are going to get? A cube by a square. A cube by y square. In place of y you substitute a. A cube by a square means x is equal to a. So y is equal to a, x is equal to a. What is that point is? A comma a. Therefore L value means in place at x place lo a, in place of y you substitute a. Therefore 2a cube by a cube means 2. Similarly m value 1, here also in place of y a substitute. 2a cube by a cube means 2. Therefore ln minus m square is equal to 3, a positive value, and L also positive value. Therefore f of x has a minimum value. What is the minimum value? In the given function you substitute a comma a. What you are going to get? 3a square is the minimum value. Next the function is sin x plus sin y plus sin x plus y. Sin x differentiation is cos x with respect to x. Sin y with respect to x means constant kabatti 0. So dou f by dou x is cos x plus y. Similarly dou f by dou y means with respect to y means x is a constant. Sin x will be 0. Therefore sin x y differentiation is cos y plus cos x plus y. Similarly dou square f by dou x square value is this one. M value you are going to get like this. N value you are going to get like this. What you have to do? Dou f by dou x equated to 0. Dou f by dou y equated to 0. You will get like this. Now equation 1 minus equation 2 means this cos x plus y, this cos x plus y will get cancelled. Therefore cos x minus cos y equal to 0. Cos x is equal to cos y. When it will happen? X is equal to y. So substitute x is equal to y in the equation 1. What happens? Cos x plus cos 2x is equal to 0. This is nothing but cos c plus cos d formula. What happens? 2 cos x cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2 is equal to 0. This is the formula. Therefore when this will happen, either 3x by 2 is nothing but equal to plus or minus pi by 2, or x by 2 is equal to plus or minus pi by 2. Then what happens about the x value is nothing but plus or minus pi by 3. Here x value is nothing but plus or minus pi. So what are the points? Here the condition is x is equal to y. Therefore pi by 3 comma pi by 3 minus pi by 3 comma minus pi by 3 plus or minus pi comma plus or minus pi. So 4 points you are going to get. So now we will consider any one point at pi by 3 comma pi by 3. So L is equal to this much. Sin 120 is how much? Sin 120 is sin 90 plus 30. That means cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. So if you substitute like this, you are going to get the values like this. L, M, N values like this. So ln minus m square. If you do this one substitute, you are going to get 9 by 4, which is a positive value. L is a negative value. Therefore function is maximum at pi by 3 comma pi by 3. What is the maximum value means? F of pi by 3 comma pi by 3. Substitute in the given function. You are going to get it as 3 root 3 by 2 is the maximum value. So similarly at my minus pi by 3 comma minus pi by 3, ln minus m square value is greater than 0 and L also greater than 0. Then f of x has a minimum value. The minimum value is minus 3 root 3 by 2. So similarly at plus or minus pi comma plus or minus pi, ln minus m square is equal to 0 because sin pi is 0. Therefore function has no conclusion. This is about the maximum and minimum of functions of two variables. Thank you.